Hi, our tempo go. Chalo, let's start your vlog.
Yes.
So we are here at Emoric Sukhdev with this Meghalaya team, and they are very excited to see this place, as if this is one of the biggest North Indian dhaba, and we can have special loni, special tea over here, and hopefully they'll enjoy a lot.
Teman-teman. Hey, Riva. Riva.
Hang no bantit coffee. Kan no.
Halo.
Kita ni ay yang ambil orang.
Batap nap. Bisa nak kini? Oh, tentang itu. Ha? Sangat li. Oh,